SuperShine Stone Care and Restoration has been in operation for more than a decade. Provides specialty restoration and maintenance solutions for the marble and most natural stone surfaces. We are well equipped, committed, and utilize the most advanced and up-to-date technology. We ensure our clients that we are knowledgeable and we aim to get it done right the first time. We provide services for both residential and commercial. Our company offers reasonable, affordable, and competitive rates for full stone restoration. Ongoing maintenance of the stone is recommended. A program suitable per your requirements will be put together to match your budget. We can guarantee that you can get your floors restored to a like-new factory finish while saving up to 80% of possible replacement costs. We can polish out your floors, true, rich, natural grain, and will bring out the brilliant shine on your floors once had with no mess. Contact us today if your natural stone floors weren't professionally diamond polished after installation. Get your free quote today.